All I'm saying is that I want the channel to take off, and the only way I'm going to be able to do that is if I create content and you guys are engaged. That's it, right? That is it. I want to grow this channel, right? I'm being 100% transparent. I want to get to the point where this channel is monetized. I want to get to the point where this channel, where I could work with brands that believe in what I do, and they're not afraid, or they will support, the things that I want to eventually do, like certain charities and things of that nature. Bringing awareness to mental health and things of that nature, which is very important in the space that people don't talk about. I want to do those things, man. I want to do those things. I want to bring awareness, right? Not only that, I would love to be able to ride and do these things and be getting paid for it as well. Again, there's so many different things that I want to do, but this year we're going to make this shit happen. That's for sure. And I'm only going to be able to do it with your help. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and you tap that notification, the little bell. Hit that bell so you know when I'm dropping videos. Again, guys, we're dropping videos Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Pretty soon, I'm only giving myself one day a week where we're not posting. That's Wednesdays. And that might change too, because like I said, I'm getting to the point where any given day, if I just feel like recording and posting, I'm just going to post, right? I do have stuff scheduled out, right? Because we're on super schedule mode. Shocker, big secret. If you really want to be successful, if you're looking at the big channels like the Fast Lane D's, the IMKs, those guys have content scheduled out months ahead of time. Why? Because if you're going to be creating and you're serious about it, you have to treat it very, very importantly, right? You got to really treat this seriously. If you're getting up and you're just recording content, like I got to record a video this week, and you're scrambling, and then next week you're doing the same thing. Oh, I got to record a video this week. Oh my God, after I just saw that video from Fastlane, I gotta record this video. Oh, I'm slacking. I didn't record a video this month. I'm sorry, guys. When you get to the point where every video you're just apologizing, like you're just apologizing to your subscriber base because you're not posting, that's bad. That means you don't have a system. You have not fully thought about how you want to execute your channel, and you're kind of just winging it because you're imitating what other people are doing. You got to get out of that mode, man. Got to get out of that mode. So again, guys, like I said, I got stuff scheduled out, and then my biggest factor is trying to figure out how to get time sensitive stuff out in a way where it doesn't cause too much confusion. But at the same time, I keep telling myself that I'm overthinking these things because we only have 210 of you guys supporting right now. So I don't need to overthink about how I release my content too much per se. Because my issue is that because I have all this content front loaded already, right? The progression of the quality of videos you're going to see a lot more slowly. So, you're seeing stuff this month that I recorded months ago. The quality of those videos are not going to be as good as the videos that you're going to see in the months following, right? Because I'm getting better and better. So the issue comes in is when, like today, where I want to release a video, the quality difference may be apparent. And you're kind of like, wait a minute. That video was up to date. That one seems like it's a little behind. Oh, wait, I didn't see that on his bike before. Oh, wait, following his IG, he has his mirrors on his bike, but on his video yesterday he released, he didn't have mirrors on his bike. You know, it's like, I'm reading too much into it. People don't give a shit about that. So I'm just going to release content the way I want to release it. But I wanted to release it in a way that it is scheduled, like I said, and we are prepared. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. We're going to get back to creating big time, man. And I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Hit the subscribe button. Stop being a fucking bum. Hit the subscribe button. Support your boy. It's your boy, Yo-Yo. Peace.